In a previous video, I showed you how easy it was to drag and drop components into a factory layout. In this demonstration, I will focus on using snap types and other tools in the asset browser to efficiently place components. To begin, I'm going to switch from this view into another representation. I would like to assemble a conveyor, so I'm going to navigate down into its folder. Before I place the component, I want to take a look at the current snap type settings. By default, snapping only occurs on the floor and between component connectors. To assemble my first component, I would like to snap to a sketch in the layout. To place the conveyor, I drag it onto the layout. As I drag closer to the endpoint of the sketch line, a snap is recognized. I select the left mouse button to locate the conveyor. To orient, I can drag it into position and use snaps. I want to assemble it again, so I will drag the second conveyor around to locate it. The connector snap type was enabled, so as I drag, the connectors snap to one another. To finish, I press Escape. I found the conveyor by navigating through the asset browser. I can also use the search tool to find components. Before placing the fence, I'm going to review the snap type settings again. I would like to be able to snap to a grid on my layout, so I will enable this option. I will locate the fence on this grid point and base its orientation on this second grid point. I can continue to add a second piece of fencing by snapping to connectors, just like I did with the conveyor. Currently, the asset browser is displaying only imperial assets. You can switch to metric as necessary by selecting the pull-down menu. When designing your factory layout, consider the use of snap types to accurately place your components.